Staple the bow pad to the second bow and finish stapling at the front bow. Put the rear tack strip into the well and install the bolts that hold it to the body. Begin with the center bolt and work toward the ends alternating sides. With the top in the up position but not latched, loosen the top of the window and restaple it, pulling out any slack. Replace the tack strip in the well and bolt it in place. Fold the wire on closed from front to rear and tap it closed with a mallet. We're now ready to cover the raw ends of the wire on. Close the top and latch it. The first few times that you latch the top, it will be very hard to close. That's normal. Leave it latched for 2 weeks and it will operate normally after that.